Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video contains Applied Forensic Research Sciences. MCQs times Part 43, Topic Cyber Laws, written by Shivani Sharma and presented by Yogita Pardeshi. First, tampering with computer sources document is dash offence. The options is A. Violable, B. Non-violable, C. Non-cognizable and D. Both A and C. The answer is B. Non-violable. Second, child pornography is an offence under section dash. The options is A. 67C, B. 67A, C. 67B and D. 67D. The answer is C. 67B. Third, which section deal with cyber terrorism? The options is A. 66C, B. 66B, C. 66D and D. 66F. The answer is D. 66F. Fourth, what is the penalty for destroying computer source code? The options is A. 3-year imprisonment or 5 lakh rupee or both, B. 3-year imprisonment or 1 lakh rupee or both, C. 2-year imprisonment or 2 lakh rupee or both, and D. 3-year imprisonment or 2 lakh penalty or both. The answer is D. 3-year imprisonment or 2 lakh penalty or both. Fifth, copying of a web page or website and storing that copy for the purpose of speeding up subsequent access is called. The option is A. Browsing, B. File swapping, C. Caching and D. Downloading. The answer is C. Caching. Sixth, permitted use of disruptive activities or the threat thereof in cyberspace is called dash. The option is A. Commerce, B. Credit card fraud and C. Net banking and D. Cyber terrorism. The answer is D. Cyber terrorism. Seventh, dash is a criminal offence of unlawfully obtaining money, property or services from a person, entity or institution through coercion. The options is A. Phishing, B. Pornography, C. Net or cyber extortion and D. Credit card fraud. The answer is A. Phishing. 8. Under Information Technology Act, the purpose of digital signature is to. The options is A. Forge the document, B. Photocopy the document, C. Digital printing and D. Authenticate the document. The answer is D. Authenticate the document. 9th, hacking is prohibited under dash of the IT Act 2000. The option is A. Section 64, B. Section 65, C. Section 66 and D. Section 63. The answer is C. Section 66. 10th, every appeal to Cyber Appellate Tribunal shall be filed within a period of dash. The option is A. 60 days, B. 90 days, C. 45 days and D. 30 days. The answer is 45 days. Thank you. Hope you like this video.